Welcome to the CiaoTool BSC tutorial video. Today, we'll walk you through how to use Fourmeme's Create and Buy tool. Why do you need Create and Buy? When a new token is created on Fourmeme, it first trades inside Fourmeme's internal liquidity pool, what everyone calls the internal market. Once the pool reaches 18 BNB, the system will automatically launch the token to the external market, where everyone can trade it freely. The biggest advantage of Create and Buy is that it allows developers to secure low-price tokens in the internal market at the exact moment they create their new token. This prevents sniping bots from front-running the launch and ensures you control the early momentum of your project. Now, let's learn how to use the tool. First, open the CiaoTool official website. Click Connect Wallet on the top right and select a BSC-compatible wallet. In this tutorial, we'll use MetaMask as an example. Once connected, enter the Fourmeme BNB, Create and Buy. Fill in the private key of the wallet that will pay the service fee. Then, move on to the token's basic information. Enter the token name, its symbol, and a brief description of its purpose, story, or meme background. Next, upload your token icon as required. You can then add your social links. Although optional, it is highly recommended. The more public your project appears, the easier it is to build early community trust. After completing the basic info, select the project tag that best matches your token's positioning. Only one tag can be selected. Next, we configure the buy-in parameters. Import the wallet addresses that will perform the buys. Click Import Private Key. You can paste keys manually or upload a prepared key file. The system supports up to 20 wallets buying simultaneously. Each wallet must have at least 0.0008 BNB available. After importing, set the buy-in amount for each wallet. Since Fourmeme's internal pool fills at around 18 BNB, please plan your purchase amounts wisely. Avoid going all in at once. A controlled buy-in helps create a smoother price chart. Use the Add/Delete buttons on the right to add or remove wallets. Once everything is correctly configured, click Create Token and Buy. Your token will be activated immediately, and the system will automatically execute the first purchase for you. Wishing you success in creating the next viral token.